Okay, so to turn on call forwarding on your Google Pixel or Motorola phone, we first go to the phone app, tap those three lines up top, and go to Settings. Then, in the settings, go to Calling Accounts and tap your SIM from that list. And then go to Call Forwarding. It's going to take a second to load up your settings here. Let's give it a moment. And after that, you can choose the number where your forwarded calls go, as well as the scenarios where call forwarding kicks in. You can choose between these four. Always forward, forward when busy, which forwards incoming calls when you're actively on another call. Forward when unanswered. This forwards if you don't pick up after a few rings. And forward when unreachable, which forwards calls when your phone is turned off, in airplane mode, or out of cellular connection. So you pick the scenario, enter the number where you want the call forwarded, and tap OK. This is also where you can turn off call forwarding whenever you want. And that's it. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all.